Today I'll show you how to download Google Calendar so you can open it quickly, just like an app, right from your computer. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have a shortcut set up that lets you jump straight into your calendar without needing to type in the website address every time. First, start by opening your favorite web browser on your computer. This process works best in modern browsers like Chrome or other Chromium-based browsers. Once your browser is open, go to the address bar at the top, click into it and type calendar.google.com. Then press enter. This will take you to Google Calendar. If you're not already signed into your Google account, you may be asked to log in. Go ahead and enter your usual login details and wait for your calendar to load. You should now see your calendar view on the screen with your events and dates laid out. Now that you're on the Google Calendar website, we're going to create a shortcut so you can open it more easily in the future. Look toward the very top right corner of your browser window. You should see an icon with 3 vertical dots. This is your browser's main menu. Move your mouse up to that icon and click on it to open the menu. When the menu opens, you'll see a list of options. Take a moment to look through them so you get familiar with where things are. In this menu, you're looking for an option related to casting, saving, or sharing the page. It may be grouped under a section that includes options like cast or save and share. Go ahead and click on that area. Within this section, there will be an option to create a shortcut to the page you're currently on. This is what allows you to treat Google Calendar almost like a downloaded app, even though it's really just a shortcut to the website. Find and click on Create Shortcut. After you click Create Shortcut, a small window or pop-up should appear. This is where you confirm how you want the shortcut to behave. In many browsers, you'll see the name of the shortcut, which you can usually leave as Google Calendar, so it's easy to recognize later. Depending on your browser, you may also see an option to open it in a separate window, which can make it feel even more like a standalone app. Choose the settings you prefer, and when you're ready, click the button labeled Create. Once you click Create, the shortcut will be added to your computer. On Windows, you might see it appear on your desktop or in your Start menu. On macOS, you might find it in your Applications area or your dock if you choose to pin it there. From now on, you can simply click this shortcut to open Google Calendar directly without having to open a browser and type in the address. And that's it. You've effectively downloaded Google Calendar as a shortcut on your computer, making it faster and easier to access your schedule whenever you need it.